So in this demo, I want to show you how you can create teams, how you can manage team members, and also how you can launch and manage apps within a team. So to get started, I've logged into my dashboard, and so far I've logged in as my personal user, and I have an app that I'm using here. That's a personal app. Well, if I wanted to create a team and launch apps within that team, the first thing I would do is I would go to the switcher, the team switcher up at the top right here, and I would create a new team. So within that team, I can now see here that I've been redirected to my account admin, where I can see all my existing teams and also the ability to create a new team. So let me go ahead and create a demo team. And now that I have a demo team, I'm directed to the management page. I can click on members and I can invite a team member. So here I can invite team members by their email address or username if I know it with Nanobox, and I give them a role, whether that's an owner, an admin, or a developer. So just quickly to highlight those roles, a developer is essentially a deploy-only role. They will not have access to manage, scale, access control. They won't even be able to access the database or see environment variables or any sort of sensitive credentials. So if you have developers who really just need to deploy, that's a great role to assign to them. Now, admins are the members of the team who you've delegated the administration of your applications. These are individuals who can scale up, scale down. They can access the databases, manipulate data. They can delete components. They can create new components, launch team or create apps. They can delete apps. And the one restriction to the admin role is that they will not be able to affect billing. So anything that would impact billing, they will not be able to address. And then owner has all access to everything. So let me hop over to a team that is already established, and this team here, we can see this is where we launch the apps for all of the official or the stable official Nanobox adapters. And so we've got quite a few or 4 apps here, and I can launch a new app with that. I can also go to admin this team. I'm not actually going to show you the members here because I don't want to show the email addresses. We have some community members who contribute there. But what we can see is that the team will also have hosting accounts. So you can configure the team hosting accounts. That way, if I wanted to, let's say I go back to this team page and launch a new app, then I would be able to choose based on the hosting provider set in this team context. And then all of the applications that I create within this context will be assigned to that team. So hopefully this has been informative. Hopefully we've been able to show you how simple and easy it is to create and manage teams. And ultimately, the idea behind teams is so that you can collaborate as efficiently and effectively as a team as you possibly can without having to give up all access to everything as you add team members, and also how, as attrition naturally happens, you can remove your team members, and the moment that they're removed, all access to apps or components or databases is immediately revoked. So thanks for coming to watch this. I would encourage you to stick around. We have some really cool things coming up. So thanks again.